Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop out clothes from an image using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon, and here you can upload your images by tapping on proceed. And after you uploaded your images, they are going to appear here. And to crop out clothes from an image, you just have to open it, go to the tools section, and go to the free crop. And at the free crop section, there is an automatic AI system that is going to help you cropping out the clothes. As you can see, I just tap on it and it already highlighted all the clothes on the image, even the shoes, and I can crop it automatically with this AI. If you see any mistakes, you can zoom in and use the eraser tool to clean it up a little bit. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.